All right, so next let's get into the signature, right? Um, so what I usually do is I would copy the signature and I would save it somewhere. So every time I write a blog post, I just copy and I'll paste it. So how I do that is I would actually open up a post um, on my Empower Network blog. So I would actually go to dashboard, post, new post, um, and and then I would create something here. So let me show you what I do. Okay. All right. So I actually named this one signature template, and I make sure it's private, so that way no one can see this. Because why would you let someone see this? Or you can create a new page and do the same thing because no one can see your pages unless you post it somewhere. And then I'll just have something like this. See, I'll have this button. Then I'll have like social networking links. Okay, and then I'll have my name, and then I'll have like a picture, and then the picture I'll change all the time. So you see this picture here, but I would usually just go on my Facebook, and then I would see, some pictures, and then I'll just copy the URL, and then I'll put it on here. A lot of times I put a picture of me on here. This time I just want to put a picture of Tony Rush because, cash looks cool. So I used to have like long stuff. I used to have short stuff. So this is actually a lot of different ones that I used to do, and I just keep it all saved here, and I'll just as I go, I'll tweak it. As I go, I'll change it, and depending on how I feel or what I see other people do. So what this is something you can do as well. Okay, so just so you know, um, a best way to copy and paste is that you go to text view. So you see visual view and text view. I'll click on text view. I'll find out where it is, and then I'll just like copy that. And then when I paste it into my blog, I'll make sure it's under text view. So actually, just to do this really quick, I'll probably do like frequently asked question. Okay, so I'll probably go from here, right? So here's what I'll do. I'll go to text view. I'll go down to join here for $25. Okay, cool. So I know this is where it is. And by the way, when you go to text view, you see a bunch of coding, it doesn't make sense. Just look for what you know. So, it says if you're ready to join for measly $25, join here. And then at the end of that line, I'll just copy that whole thing. Okay, copy. Okay, and then if I go to my Market America part, or I'll go to Talk Fusion. Okay, Talk Fusion here. Then what I'll do is I'll go to text view. I'll go all the way to the bottom. Okay, and at the very end, because when you're writing your blog post, you're not going to have a signature yet, so you just go all the way to the bottom and you just paste that code, scroll back up, click on visual, and then as you see now, see, there you go, you have all of this. So you know what, I kind of like this a little bit better. So what I'll do is I'm going to delete what I had before. Okay, delete what I had before. I like that arrow. The arrow looks kind of cool. And then I'll keep the social networking links there. And where do you get the social networking links? Hang on a second. I actually go to free social media button generator, niftybuttons.com. Okay, so if you go to niftybuttons.com, you can choose whatever social networking buttons you want. See, it's all here. And then when you click on it, like let me click on this one for example, you just put in your links, and then when you fill out your links, you hit submit, then they're going to generate a code for you, so that way you can paste it into the code section, and then you're going to get your links. So these are the links that I've chosen. Any questions, put your information here. Okay, so let's say right now I have this picture in my signature, right? I don't want this picture. I want it to be something else. I'm delete it. I'm going to delete all of this actually here. Back up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Facebook, and I'll go to my photos, kind of see, what photo do I want to use for that particular post? You know what? I like, guess it doesn't really matter which one I post, huh? Something that looks cool, inviting, and shows that I'm a cool person. So, I say, I like, I like my latest picture of my team here. Boom. See, this is a really nice open, picture. So copy image URL, and then I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna go add media, insert from URL because it's from Facebook. So I'm gonna paste that, insert. See, notice that it's too big, so it looks kind of like condensed. You have to change the size. So, I think I went too fast there, right? So click on this. When you click on the picture, you have these two things come up. Click on that. To see what size it is, I'll go to advanced settings just to see. See, here you see the width is 960. That's too big. So what you can do is just click on, to lower the percentage until you get under 590, because 590 is the max width you can use. So as long as you get it underneath, then you're good. So 576, that's pretty good. I press update. See, there you go. Now we have that on the bottom. Oh, this is my, I clicked on the wrong place. But anyways, Okay, so I actually thought this was my actual blog, but it wasn't. So I'm just gonna copy that. I'm gonna go over to this one. This is what I wanted to change. Okay, delete that. Paste. Bam. See, now I got my picture on here. I like it. This might actually increase my conversion rates because it's a better picture and a little bit more personalized, a little bit more inviting. So now I'm gonna click on update, and that's all there is to the signature. See, and now I'll go back to my signature. This is where see, this is my signature template. I want to keep this template because I like this picture. So I'm gonna click on update, and whenever I copy it, put on a new post, I might change my picture again, and all I gotta do is go to my Facebook because that's where I upload all my pictures anyways. And I'm just gonna take the link. I'm just gonna right click, go to copy image URL, and then I'm just gonna post it onto my blog anyways, right? Just to let y'all know. Cool. That is done there. That's how you do the copy and paste signature. Check.